Hello, welcome to this Technic Force tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to subtitle your video with VidScribe. You've probably seen foreign language videos that were subtitled in English, and VidScribe can do that for your videos in different languages as well. Here's an example. Simply open VidScribe, and from the dashboard navigate to your Campaigns tab. Click on the Continue button for the campaign that you wish to create subtitles for. Now, assuming that you've already uploaded your file, gotten the transcript, reviewed it, and updated it, and made your SRTs, now you can simply click on the Subtitle Video button. From here, you can select the language that you want to create your subtitles in. So in this case, let's select French and then click the Go button. Now, you can see the text length and transcript cost pop-up has opened. Cost of the transcript, the cost of the video, depends on the character length. In my case, since the video is under 1,000 characters, the cost is 1 credit. Click on Proceed to continue. The translation happens very quickly, and you can see each of the dialog boxes has been updated with the translated text. By hovering your mouse over each box, you can see what the original text was in English at the bottom in the preview pane. You can also edit and modify the dialog box text and timing. Then click on Save to save the changes you made to the dialog boxes. If you'd like to sample the actual video itself, just click the Preview button here. And there. Welcome to Technic for Tutorials. You'll hear the original English voiceover with the French subtitles. It's a good idea to check the translation just to make sure there are no mistakes. You might be able to spot a couple of easy fixes, even in a foreign language. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click to Save for Save Changes. This is going to create a new video with the subtitles embedded directly into the video image itself. So, unlike YouTube, which has one original video with multilingual captions overlaid on top of it, this will give you a separate video for each language that you generate a video for. This will really help improve your backlinks by having so many different unique videos. When you're ready, go ahead and click Generate Video. You can title your file and save it. Now our work has been queued, and we'll receive a notification when the process starts and then when it's complete. And there's a notification that the video with subtitles is now complete. To see our new video, we could go to the Tasks menu and click on the View icon to see the finished video. That will open your video player in a new window. Hello, and welcome to Technic for Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to go live on Twitch using the Livecaster app. Now, and that's just a short overview of how to subtitle your video with VidScribe. On behalf of the Technic Force team, we wish you the very best of internet marketing success. Thanks very much for watching.